It's here for me, Mamuni Akwaba, about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So, in Sembiaba, Kwame A plus head in Sembiaba to get. Now, Muni say A plus, Wakasa, Ayana, Etodibia, a Dane bomb. Now, answer the retro and subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. And no, and a double screen so see. We understand latest news be about once ever can. Obi baby has a day and a plus aka. Now, last week, me report say, Tremo say, MPP Phobi. Na womo attack na naba na mwa na de na naba na mwa ye ne se wo blast both MPP and NDC na wakase Ghana de ya bremo MPP ni NDC ya bremo na wakansem na nsema na naba na mwa kan no publicly we didn't see NDC for say womo attack no MPP for na attack no ema MPP top executive via wo UK a wo ye communicator ema MPP wo UK eba bonten ebedi na naba na mwa tem Babontin ka be ka se yana ba na mo ano yenim no yenim sesebe wone ne nanfofo kunu na eda na wo ye mahama ne girl ne nyama tese ensema ehu hia na MPP communicator we wo kan ye eto na ba na mo aso na ba na mo na wo trend e wo Twitter for 3 good days nini na MPP for AD na tem na we na Kwame A plus aba bontin e de nsem bi abetuja na nsema wo de tuja no wo se wanti ase se MPP for no ase musuno yenhu ni ye because first na yeti ase nkrofo bi ema yeti ase se eba wo mu ase bi wo mu ye violent na eye NDC for ba Kwame A plus da bi watena se ehun se nansen wo bia wo ye obeye bibie tia MPP aban bia no ye be sorry na twese ye kaseti ani bako no ye be attack anase ye be kaseti violently ye betumi abon nkrofo di nti se anas for the very first time Ghana any who say Nkrofo attack Anas na Ghana will be an attack Anas for the very first time in MPP government any who say ya attack Anas Manase Azoria na embra NDC was we obia NDC for attack no say o Manase ye MPP no ye MPP ni MPP ba so a wo ye expose eti aban na afei Manase ya attack no the list goes on Kelvin Taylor wono nkasa ye MPP ni wono so na nsen ya attack no Inti wono Kwame A plus na ngasa wo say we hu bi wono angasa nso a wo ye MPP ni wono so na nsen ye MPP for attack na enye easy nti oden nsem betu dwa na nsem na wo de tu dwa no wo hwe se na nkrofo comment kasa wo ho a obehu ne se na nkrofo ene no adwen na me read ne nsem no me wi a na ya hye de nkrofo nso kafa nsem a Kwame A plus wo de tu dwa ho na asem we na Kwame A plus wo tro ye bo say so please why is it that when people attack both NDC and MPP, it is the MPP guys that get angry and insult. Was it Obisa Aden and a Ghana? Akoya says CCS will be sorry. Now what cassette NDC ni MPP. I say MPP for the and the pepper bunting ebe dini bakuna de atem Aden and a Chese Ghana CCS yes sir. Was it I just don't get it. Just a one tias here. Nana Banamwa attacked NDC and MPP. But it's like all my MPP friends are attacking her. Why? And one I was saying, and I was saying, Atik Yakubu, come and answer this question. You know the boss who said, if you like, go to your page right now and post NDC and MPP are useless. This thing, I don't understand it all. Even this post, check the profiles of those who were insult. Asema Walker was saying, and that we a public figure. We obi asebe Ghana will be ehun okasa e mankrofo te a ko page so na kotro se MPP any NDC wo mo ye useless na hwe wo mo abo mo be attack wo hwe wo mo abo mo be di watem nia ukọ mo profile ho obo mo se wo mo nia ye MPP for NDC ni bi ani ho aba di watem na wonti ase aden na MPP for na nsen wo mo ye violence a na asem we a wo kan no mate se a lot of Ghanaian celebrities sided with Nsema Wodi Tuja. What you say? Now, a lot of people also responded to this. Now, me person me read some of the comments and go for Eddie Tuja. Now, yes, are people siding with Asema Kwame A plus or their Tuja? Saying MPP, they are more violent than NDC. Are people siding? We'll be saying, if only they knew how gradually they are losing their grounds by attacking each and everyone that speak on issues destroying the country. In the era of social media, everybody is reading. listening and making their decision towards the election they so wish to win. We all know that last this election will end in court, and just like Atuguba helped NDC, they might be lucky, but when it's time to relegate them in 2024, Mahama's own will be small. Asema will be air can say NPP for one de womani etu foma na kombe hu ne say gradually no ngofo ana agidi ewo mumu a wo to aba emo omo no gradually san nkrofo no gidie no ewu na nini na ne say ende wokokasa NPP for bibi koso wo Ghana na enye political sebe wo kan say wo ye Ghana ni wo nka say sebe wo kenti aban no NPP for beba abontin abedi watem eno any asema nipakoye odi atudwa we be say forget about them. Those they are taking for granted are the same people defending and insulting. May insults become their profession forever in Jesus' name. Hey, we the abona said then. Was it woman sabe MPP for woman bu omo no woman na trese woman ta MPP for echi edi ngrofo atem. Na woman womu di atem no ye bomba say atem didie and I said the ebeda ni mu ejuma forever in Jesus' name. And the abo workers will be attempting the nebe you be ejuma dia. Ubo ni pakuni dia. We be say the NDC are a bit tolerant. For the NPP, power means silence everybody. And then asema will be so kind. See, we shall comment at me with dia. People are actually siding with Kwame A+. Say the NDC input there. Ye hu ye. Embra na NDC was no. Em say Manase Azori munia your friend saying say Jida ni sa sada no Manase Azori na ye Mahama na unim arawosem a ewo no say embra Manase Azori what the corruption case to Mahama so mobile kai say yese Burkina Faso contractor bi eche Mahama ka na nyama bi no ye this our case ni to Mahama so no sa time na Manase Azori release this our case no sa time no na John Dramani Mahama na trese ni mami efrim na esan say Ghana for Sabi, your president, ni mami efrimu a Ghana for ebe sympathize with president no. Ghana for forget say President Mahama kana ni mami efrim. Na nkrofo twabo no say wo ye kronfo wakoje ka ewowe. But ni name no, Satan me wo Ghana we didn't see the NDC attacking and insulting people. Inti asema nkrofo eka and they say at least yehu Mahama. Na Mahama embra wo beda ne eye president no. They were a bit tolerant. Now, ended there, NPP for you can't power means silence. And then asema will be Eka, Nipakuni Dindi Idris, and then asema Walker. Obenso say this has got nothing to do with being NDC or MPP. It has everything to do with being human. Humans tend to be more sensitive to critics when they are in a position of power. Okay, Nipaku Wensu Walker, Nyansasem. But see, because every critic is considered an arrow in heart of that power, do not pretend to forget how the NDC took the clergy and civil society to the cleaners until they lost power in 2016. It is what it is. Get to the root of it. Now, asema nipaku wekan enonso ewojinabia. Wasi da bi we de yenyi NDC ni MPP mfrim. Na eye nipa daseni saa na Yesu ete. Yesu ne ye ban sebe wo bi kan assembly fa wo ho a na ade no eye ne kreka na nipa ko ne ka na weni enje ho a obehu ne se nipa ko no wotan wo saa na nipa yete na wono nipa ko wo se wokai say 2016 NDC for asofo ebekeka nsem bi 2016 NDC for eba bonte ebedidi saa nsofo na atem na enu ho ka na NDC for elusu power enu ni asema nipa ko we wo ka Obenso say, if we say we are going to do a little of what they did to GM to Nanado, Mapadi go just die in his sleep. Inti asema will be can say, what shed ye John Dramani Mahama, send your Ghana for 18 at them. Nanki ye say Nanado ye in the same thing. Nanko ye sure, send Nanado the Abetuno and yet. And only will be arjun and the Paku in the din ede. Olufumi mensa, Olufumi de say Nigeria din. But men's also ye Ghana din. Obenso said the reason is simple. They do not have any solution to our Ghanaian problems. And I will post a picture with a caption. Anytime a government resorts to blaming the opposition for its failure to deliver on their mandate and their responsibilities to the people, it is a clear sign that they have accepted that they have outlived their usefulness. And then the answer will be Ekan. We also say the NDC appear to be more accommodating to objective criticism and contrary views than the NPP. And also the answer will be Ekan. We also say the prophecy we all ignored. And I was share screenshot of Nanado in 2013. And I assembly and Nanado can was say the government lacks focus and only knows how to tax and borrow and not how to no. But assembly can found with the tax and borrow name. But so far, comments I'm reading here, no, people are siding with Nsema Kwame A+ for their tuja. Try watching our comment box in for me that say.